안녕하세요, 에리스 키친 친구분들. Today we are making crispy and delicious kimchi soybean sprout jeon called 콩나물 김치전 in Korean. Start by chopping the kimchi into bite-sized pieces and set it aside. Spoon some kimchi brine straight from the container and save it for the batter. Next, cut the soybean sprouts into short pieces. And finely slice the green onion. And chop the shrimp nice and small. In a mixing bowl, add the all-purpose flour and the Korean frying mix first. Then add sugar, salt, just a few pinches only if needed, and Korean hot pepper powder, Gochugaru, for that deep Korean heat. Next, add the soup soy sauce and the fish sauce. Pour in the kimchi brine, followed by the water, and gently mix until the batter comes together with a smooth, slightly thin consistency like this. Now, add the chopped kimchi, soybean sprouts, the green onions, and the shrimp to the batter. Gently stir until everything is evenly combined. Heat a pan over medium-high heat, not too hot, and generously coat it with some cooking oil. Scoop a spoonful of batter into the pan and spread it into a small round shape. Fry on the same heat until both sides are golden brown, about 8 to 10 minutes. If you want it extra crispy, here is a tip. Use a hot dog press or a flat-bottomed plate to gently press the pancake while it cooks. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. If you are planning a garden this spring, why not try planting some Korean vegetable seed? So please check out all 26 different kinds at my Korean Accent Etsy shop. Thank you for watching. See you soon again. Bye.